Welcome to Newdermo product show. This time we will introduce our LED face mask to you. This mask has 4 lights to account 4 different therapeutic effect ion. It has 2 usage modes. A is automatic mode, automatically switch between different lights. The total aging time is 15 minutes. M is manual mode. Press switch button for each second to turn on the red light mode. Front red light and back red light display. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory and reduce swelling. Pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on MR for blue light mode. Front blue light and back blue light display. Blue light inhibits oil secretion, balances oil, and effectively sterilizes. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on the M3 gear for yellow light mode. Front yellow light and back yellow light display. Yellow light improves dullness and fades spots. Accelerates the excretion of pigmentation and enhances the skin's radiance. Press again to turn on M4 gear for mixed color light mode. Front mixed color light and back mixed color light display. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging suitable for all skin types. Press again to power off. Thanks for your watching. Welcome to visit us at www.newdermobeauty.com.